Hello guys, today we are opening the Google TV Streamer. So let's unbox it. So, let's open it up from here. And right out of the box you have this like really cardboard type thing. Then over here at the side I really like how it's made, the box. Over here at the side you have your your USB type C connector and your I forgot what this is called, plug? No. Yeah? Okay, whatever this thing is called. Oh, I like the color. Over here we have our gray type-ish remote, and over here we have our Google Streamer mini thingy. Google TV Streamer, yeah. So this is very different from the other ones.
So over here you have your HDMI and you have your Ethernet port. That's very good, and that's your USB-C power source, and that I believe is reset. It does not say, but I think it's the reset button. Overall there is no marking on it. There is a G logo over there. In the fine print it just says HDMI and FCC EDC, but other than that, nothing.
And they give you these batteries for your remote.
Okay, so the remote is a little bit different. The older remote, on the older remote the volume is on the side, but this one is on the front. There is the talk button is now like this. There's a microphone on it, and usually your YouTube and Netflix, even though I'm pretty sure Netflix is not free on this unit. There's no promotion. Right, so let's start setting this thing up. जाके पहले वज़ू करो. Alright, so it looks like it's a 389 MB update. Security patch is from August 2025, so it's already a few months old.